However difficult life may seem, but there is something you can do and succeed at. Education is the passport for the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ankit. I hope you all are doing great and fighting with Corona as well. So, I am back with my new video, and the topic is being a student of life. जिंदगी का एक विद्यार्थी बनिए आप. But before this, we have to know that who is a student. विद्यार्थी कौन होता है? A student is a person who study, who learn new things, who learn from teacher, books, incident, experiences, life, and many more. You can learn anything from your life. A student is a not only a person who going in a school, college, or institute. It can be anyone. It can be a person who is 60-year-old or 6-month-old baby. A student can learn anywhere, anytime, at any stage in his life. I am a student. I am a design engineer student. I am an affiliate marketing student. I am learning new things each and every day. And of course, I know you are a student as well. But another question is, why we need to being a student of life? हमें जिंदगी का विद्यार्थी क्यों बनना चाहिए? Being a student of life, it keep us motivating to learn lifelong, to being obedient throughout our life and succeed new things throughout life, to motivate us more and more, to achieve more and more goals. So there are several ways that how to become a student of life, and it will improve us happiness in the life. So the ways are: be open minded. An open positive mindset people have a lot of happiness in his life. Stay hungry in your life. Always look for new success. Always have competitiveness. Learn something new every day. You have to learn something new each and every day. Do things which you are afraid of. Go out of your comfort zone and do those things which you are doing afraid of. Be curious. Always ask the question, why is this happening? Always be in light mood. Always enjoy the life. Always self-introspect yourself. Always talk to yourself whenever you get time. At night, at morning, any time. Always talk to yourself, because when you talk to yourself, it will give you much more better idea about your progress in your life. Being a student of life, it will help you to learn more and more things, more and more new things in your life, so that you can achieve your goal as much as possible, as much as quickly you can. Being a student of life, it also helps you to increase happiness in your life. It will become you obedient, it will become you regular, just like a student in a school time as well. So always being a student of life, because you can improve at any stage of your life, and you know improvement is the biggest factor to achieve anything in your life. And you also know one thing, that the biggest room in this world is the room of improvement. You can improve at any stage of your life, at the age of 60, at the age of 50, at the age of 20, or at the age of 10 as well. You can improve in any time. So you need to fill that room as much as you can to improve yourself, so that you can achieve your goal as quickly as possible. Because the biggest quality in a student is learning. He never forget about learning. He always keep improving himself or herself while doing learning. So learning is the biggest factor to achieve anything in your life. So learn things, okay? Learn new things each and every day. Read newspaper, books, attend webinars, seminars is not possible right now, but webinar you can attend. Use social media to learn new and new things. So always look for improvement in yourself. What can I improve in myself? Whether it is a physical, mental or emotional, anything, you can improve yourself. Once you start improving yourself, it will give you a better idea, better guidance while approaching toward your goal. So always improve yourself whenever you get time, because there is no shortcut for success. You need to improve yourself. So always improve yourself. Thank you.